All right, so in today's video, we're going to go over this company, Senar. They do make some batteries for your power tools. And if you own Dewalt, Makita, or Milwaukee, you know, these batteries are very, very expensive. So we're going to go ahead and go over a couple of little options that they have, see if it's something that'll work for you. For instance, they do have this adapter that you could purchase for any of the brands here listed, and you can combine it with, you know, their battery. This is like 4-amp battery, and you have several options with it. Super easy to use. All you have to do is buy the correct adapter, slide it into the battery, into the little slots that it has, lock it in, and you're pretty much good to go. You have your battery indicator, USB-C charge option, and then you have your USB accessory, so you could power pretty much other your phone or a flashlight or something like that out in the field. Now this option here is a little bit different than their direct connector. This is an 8-amp battery, so this one actually goes plug-in into your power tool. No adapters needed. Now these are a little bit rougher for the field. You know, they have the round edges, you know, they seem a little bit more heavy duty than these here. These is more like a, you know, kind of like an in-user type deal. You have the, you know, sharp corners. So probably if you toss these around, won't last as long as these direct fit. Now this one here, like I mentioned, you do have, you know, the battery indicator, okay? And then you have, like I said, the little USB-C charge port, which will take a little longer than having it a direct charger. They also make chargers that you could use to charge these batteries. Let's say, you know, if you want to use this setup or this setup here, you know, so very easy, slides in, and you're pretty much good to go. So if you have Makita, Bosch, Dewalt, a bunch of, you know, rigid out there, you could pretty much use these out there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go over, test them out, see if, you know, if it's meant for the heavy duty construction or if it's just, like I say, the end user versus the direct fit. Now, as far as pricing goes, you do have 3-year warranty on the products, on the batteries, and gotta say they're pretty much like half the price of your Dewalt or your Milwaukee or your Makita battery. So something to take a look at. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out, see how they perform. So if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow. Check out some of the videos. All right, so let's see if it works with the actual Dewalt charger. This is one of the little portable ones, small, but, you know, still pretty much works with any of them. All right, so let's go ahead and try the Dewalt battery. So you have a flashing, that means that it's charging, okay, pretty good. This is the actual direct fit. All right, so you got the charging, which is good. Flashing means charging, all right, we're good here. And then let's go with the one that has the adapter. All right, so it looks like it's a no-go. So I tried it with the other 2 Dewalt chargers, the full chargers, and it still does the same thing. No lights and no lights here. So we have to use a USB-C charger to charge these here. I'm not sure if these will charge in their own proprietary chargers, but it's, you know, a good question. So I'm gonna find that out. But it's not working with the direct charger. So I did notice that another reviewer talked about the same thing regarding the Milwaukee chargers. So you cannot use these directly on the Milwaukee chargers either. So, all right, just a tip: if you're going to be charging your battery, definitely get a thicker cable than this. And definitely these outlets that come with this accessory USB ports to charge your phone, things like that, usually have a very low current. Better to use a heavy duty adapter, even stronger than these if you're going to be charging heavy duty batteries or your phone. Usually when you go upgrade these things, you are going to get a much faster charge and also a much of a thicker cable that holds more current. You know, just a tip, especially if you're going to charge these kind of batteries or flashlights and things like that. I've noticed that these things do not take a lot longer than actually using a little power adapter. Just a tip. All right, let's go ahead and try out the battery. This is fully charged. All right, we'll do several cuts, see how it performs. All right, so it stopped. Alright, so this is going to be my third pass with this thing. It has stopped 3/4 of the way. This is a longer board. Going to give it one more shot, see how it does. All right, stop once. Twice. 3 times. 4. Well, you get the point. All right, so fully charged, third cut. Doesn't have a lot of juice to actually power, you know, to cut. This is a 3/4 inch plywood treated, so this is, you know, pretty strong board. So let's go ahead and try the Dewalt 4 amp. This is a relatively new battery, fully charged. It's fully charged. All right, so now we know the Dewalt much stronger than this one here. Like I said, this is, I would say, light duty use. So let's go ahead and give the 8 amp a try. This one's fully charged. Holy crap. That is super sweet, cut like butter, better than the actual 4 amp. Very nice, guys. All right, so definitely this one, this is a no-brainer for the cost of it. They have different packs of, you know, 2 packs with chargers and things like that. So if you're going to buy some new batteries, definitely 3-year warranty, not a bad deal. So let's give it one more pass, see how it performs. All right, absolutely awesome. I pushed it harder than I usually do the Dewalts, and definitely performed very well. Size, 8 amps, really like it. All right, guys, so final thoughts on, you know, the Senar kit here. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a, I would say it was a lighter use for, you know, your drills, smaller, you know, reciprocating saws or things like that. But for your grinders and your saws, they do suck up a lot of power. So, you know, this setup here might not be for you, but if you have multiple brands of tools and you want to incorporate them all, you know, and you use light duty stuff, DIYs around the house, not a bad little setup. But like you saw, the saw sucked up a lot of the juice and struggled just a bit. But definitely was extremely impressed with the 8 amp direct mount battery from you know, Senar. Just absolutely excellent. Did perform above, you know, what I expected. I have a 9 amp battery from Dewalt and it kind of performed the same. Super nice, you know, like I said, direct mount onto it, and 3-year warranty. You cannot go wrong with it. They do have multiple kits where you could get 2 batteries and their own charger for less than what you will pay for a single battery from, you know, the main brand like Milwaukee, Dewalt, or Bosch or something like that. So definitely recommend this one here. And if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow. Check out some of our links. They do help out the channel, and you can get them directly from them, or you can get them on Amazon. So I'll put the links. Check them out. Thanks for watching.